to Bake Nights with Andrea. Okay. Today we will be making our famous special mini pumpkin pie. First we will wash our hands with warm water and soap. We will start off with our utensils, which are the following: mixer, muffin tray, cookie cutter. If you don't have a cookie cutter, you can just use a cup. Our bowls, our measuring cups, and our measuring spoons. Next, we will lay out our pie crust ingredients, which are the following: butter, all-purpose flours, kosher salt, sugar, cold water, and vegetable shortening. Quick reminder, it has to be very cold. We will also need our pumpkin pie filling ingredient, and that includes 15 ounces of
pureed pumpkin,
2 huevos, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, pumpkin pie spice, our salt, and a pinch of cinnamon. We will dice 12 tablespoons of butter and return it to the refrigerator while we prepare our flour mixture. We will add our 3 cups of flour in a bowl,
1 tablespoon of sugar,
and lastly, our 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. Then we want to mix it all together like this. After we've mixed all our salt and our flour and our sugar, we want to add our butter, our 12 tablespoons of butter, slowly, and mix it. Add more. You can add more slowly. We'll add the rest now. Then we will add the shortening. It is always good to use plastic wrap so it won't get stuck to our container. And just mix till it's pretty much all pea size. With the machine running, we want to pour our 6 tablespoons of water in our mix. Slowly. Okay. We want to roll this into a ball. And we actually don't need gloves for this because it may get stuck to our gloves, so we can just use our bare hands.
bare clean hands.
Our bare clean hands. We want to roll the crust into this flour. And then after it's all in a ball, we want to wrap it in the plastic wrap.
And refrigerate.
And we're actually going to refrigerate this for 30 minutes. And while we refrigerate this, we will be working on our pumpkin pie filling. As we are waiting for our crust to refrigerate, we will pour our 15 ounces of pumpkin puree in our bowl. Then we will add our 14 ounces of
sweetened condensed milk
and slowly mix.
Needs more. That's how good
we can use a fork to get it all out. That is an example of something we should not do, Vanessa. Eat our ingredients. Okay, after we're done with this, we add 1 tablespoon of our pumpkin pie spice.
Take the lid off.
Or we can just do that. Take the lid out. Slowly add it to our mixing. Okay. Ooh. Then we want to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of cinnamon,
And our 2 eggs.
and our 2 huevos. And just mix it all together. After being refrigerated for 30 minutes, you want to lay out the pie crust and roll it out.
Okay, so we're preheating the oven to 425 degrees. When it starts beeping, we'll start baking.
In the meantime, we'll be cutting our pie crust with our cookie cutter and just kind of twist it.
Not that.
And we will expand it.
From the edges, because you need the middle.
After we put our pie crust in our muffin pans, we want to put our pumpkin filling, and we don't want to overfill it. We're going to bake at 425 degrees for 15 minutes, then lower the heat to 350 and bake for another 20 to 25 minutes.